Welcome to kidsacademy.mobi.
Hello everyone, let's open the worksheet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can find the link to this app in comments below. All right, so we have the worksheet, build a sentence. We're going to get to put sentences together. The directions say draw a line through the circles to rearrange the jumbled words and make a complete sentence in each section. Start at the red circle. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the first section here, and we've got several words. We've got the and kitten and milk and drinks. So it was a sentence, but the words are all scrambled up, so we have to figure out in what order they're going to go. And the way that we know is we have to start first with a noun, a person, place, or thing, and then it does something, which is the verb or the action that it does. So we're supposed to start on the word the milk or the kitten. Which do you think it's going to be? Well, I'm not sure. Let's try one. The kitten drinks milk. Does that make sense? The kitten drinks milk. Yeah, that makes sense. Now, it could have also been the milk, which is a noun, which is a person, place, or thing, but the milk drinks kitten. That doesn't make any sense. You can't drink a kitten. So the correct order is the kitten drinks milk. So we're going to take our pencil and we're going to draw our line in that order. The kitten drinks milk. And we've got our little picture clue to help us figure out what we're talking about. So let's look at that first in the next one. Here's our picture clue. It looks like a little girl and she has a bike there with her, okay? So let's find out which way we go. We're going to start with I because that's the red circle. So it says, I have bike A. Well, that doesn't make any sense. So let's look at it again. I have a bike. That makes sense. I have a bike. I is the noun, okay? And they have or they own a bike, okay? All right, so the next one in our section, we're going to start on the red circle, the. And the rest of the words are dog, home, and runs. Now, I know I can't start with runs. The runs won't make sense, so I have to start with either the dog or the home. Let's start with home. The home runs dog. Well, can a home run? No, it can't run, and it can't run dog. So I'm sure that's not the right order. Let's try it again. That didn't make sense. The dog runs home. Does that make sense? Yep, we've got a little puppy dog here, and it looks like he's running home. So here we go. The dog runs home. Great job on forming your sentences today. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Like us and subscribe to our channel. Find links to our apps in comments below.